Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how you guys can easily fix touchscreen not responding on Nubia RedMagic 10 Air. So first, you guys can try some quick fixes. The first one is to force restart the device. So basically hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. So let me hold it, and it says here you may press and hold the power button for over 10 seconds to force restart the device. So all we have to do now is keep on holding, and our device is now restarting. So as you guys can see, all we have to do now is wait for the device to come back. And now, if it's still not working for you, then what you guys can try is removing the screen protector. If you have one, then remove it, because sometimes they can interfere with the touch sensitivity. So if you have some strong screen protector, then it may be the issue. Now, the third one is to check for debris like no dirt, moisture, or all on the screen. First, make sure to keep your screen clean. So here you guys can use the lint-free cloth, and you guys can basically try and clean it. And if it's still not working, then you guys can try connecting your mouse via USB. So basically here you have the port, and you guys can try and connect your mouse here using an adapter to unlock the device. Now, if none of that worked, then here we go to the more advanced solutions. Basically all we have to do is go over to the settings. Now scroll a bit down until you guys see the about phone, and now scroll down until you see build number. Now here you need to click it a bit until you guys see that you are now a developer. Now go to system and update, and here you will have developer options. Now here make sure that the sensors off is turned off. So let me search for it. And now make sure that this function right here is turned off, because it may interfere with that. So if the issue started after some software updates, for example, then what you guys can try is reverting to the older firmware. Maybe it's a good time to downgrade, and of course you guys need to be cautious and make sure that you have a backup before proceeding. So if none of those solutions worked, then the touchscreen issue might be hardware related. Basically all you have to do is contacting the Nubia support or visit the authorized service center for assistance and a professional diagnose. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.